So can you reset the iPhone but without losing everything? Let me explain it, and if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So the short answer is yes, but it depends on what exactly you want to reset. Once you find the settings app of the iPhone, you're going to go to the general section, and at the bottom we can find transfer or reset iPhone. So it is right here, transfer or reset. You tap it like this, and you're going to tap on the reset once again. This is going to give you all of the different ways you can reset it, or different categories, right? So if you reset location and privacy settings, right, you are only doing changes to that sector of your phone and you're not losing anything else. If you reset home screen layout, it's not going to delete the apps, it's just going to reorganize them the way the apps would look out of the box of the iPhone when you open it up for the first time. And it just keeps on going like that, right? If you reset a keyboard, dictionary, or handwriting style, it only applies to those things. So none of these things will delete things like the photos, contacts, videos, apps, or anything else, right? This just resets this particular category of the settings. However, if you click on the erase all content and settings below, this is a different story because this is going to delete all of your data, right? So I have 110 gigabytes worth of storage, and if I proceed with this, it's going to delete that. It's going to sign me out from Apple ID as well as disable the Find My lock. So that is the difference. That's what I wanted to explain. And yeah, the short answer is yes, you can reset things without losing everything, and that is how it works. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.